Pressure sensors are widely used in automotive applications, from controlling an automatic transmission to ABS control. A pressure sensor is actually a 3-wire sensor composed of a 5-volt reference, an ECM provided ground, and a signal wire. First, test your 5-volt reference by measuring between chassis ground and the actual reference line. This reference line is actually regulated by the actual ECM. Then you actually test your signal ground, which is actually sensor ground, which is provided by the ECM. You do that by probing between voltage source and the actual ground line. And then last, you actually test your actual pressure sensor output by measuring between the sensor ground line and the actual signal line. By applying shop air to the actual pressure sensor, you should see a steadily rising or declining voltage. Pressure sensors are also employed in air conditioning or climate control systems, and without their proper operation, the system will simply go into limp mode or shut down, and it simply will not work.